What is up, you guys? Quentin here with Q's Customs in Las Vegas, Nevada, where I get the pleasure of building some of the coolest trucks in the state. Today we got the shop truck in here to go over a few things. One, we are going to be setting up the alignment kit on it, going through, showing you guys exactly how to use it. Obviously this is highly modified suspension, but the setup and measurements are going to be identical to whatever you have. For starters, we're going to go over exactly what kit I have and what options I have to make it the easiest as possible to use. Now, this is the Gen 4 kit, but I do have a longer tow bar to accommodate bigger tires because that's exclusively kind of what I do here is off-road trucks, from long travel all the way to your basic level kits, and this works for it all. Excuse the mess, but I do have a few kits in here. I kind of like to leave them set up, but you can break them down and they fit in this rifle bag they give you beautifully. Other option I have, again due to the bigger tires, is I do have the longer standoffs to get the kit a little bit further out. That way it's not touching the tire and messing up your measurements. I also do have their steering wheel holder. Now this is going to make your life super easy if you're working by yourself. It is going to make doing your caster measurements a lot easier, as well as just keeping your steering wheel centered while you're adjusting tow. Another thing I have that you don't necessarily need but makes it a ton easier is the turn plates. Now, not only does this make measuring the caster extremely easier, but also makes adjusting the tow a lot easier. That way you're not fighting the ground with the tire. You can see the kit is definitely a little bit of a mess in here, but I have used and abused this thing for the past 5 years and been working really closely with these guys on developing new stuff, as well as me just keep on using this old kit, and I mean it just takes a beating, and it has not even given me a hiccup. Not only that, but if you reach out before you purchase one, they will work with you on getting you a tailored setup to exactly what your needs are going to be, kind of like what I have here. As well as them having really good customer support, they actually have really good instructions with pictures, which is great, because who likes reading, right? So obviously when you get the kit, you're going to have some assembly, right? They're going to lay all that out for you. Exactly how to put it together. It's going to show you exactly what you need to do. We're going to go over setting the kit up on the truck, but for your assembly instructions, it's going to be all in here. And best part of it, made in the USA. Not only do they have the instruction booklet, but they also have very good instructions online, as well as a lot of tips and tricks online on how to get it set up correctly, what kind of weird driving characteristics you're having, and what's going to help that or not help it. So to get started, we're going to want to attach the measurement device to your wheel. Now, you're going to want to make sure, and I'll get a better picture of this in a second, but that these attachments go in on the edge of the wheel to get accurate measurements. Now, I am using a different bungee cord, but